Okay, before today's video starts, I just wanted to let you guys know, if you guys go over to enchantedgrow.com, there's a huge catalog of everything plant related. Everything from air plants, house plants, carnivorous plants, to freshwater aquatics. Also, you will get 10% off your first order just by typing in your email. Over here, as you can see, if we go over to the house plant catalog, there's a huge selection to choose from. We ship one of the highest quality plants and we ensure customer satisfaction with a 100% live arrival guaranteed on all our orders. If there's any problem with your order, go ahead and send it over and our customer service team will help you go ahead and resolve any request. Go ahead and enjoy today's video and comment down below if you guys have any other suggestions or any other videos you guys would like to see. Now enjoy today's video. Today I'll be showing you guys how you guys can propagate your own rattlesnake plant right over here. So after you guys let it grow in a little bit, it's nice and large just like that. You want to go ahead and loosen the dirt up and take it out of its pot. Just give it a little wiggle and it should come out. Yeah, just like that. Now normally, if plant isn't too established, everything should just come apart easily, just like that. But if you guys have a more established plant, it might be a little bit more work since the roots will be very compact. So instead, you'd probably have to use some sort of water to kind of wash it off. But what you want to do is kind of just break apart all of the dirt, try to get as much as you can off, just so it's easier for you to look and work on. So right now, as you can see, that's what we're doing. Just kind of wiggling, sorting the dirt out of the little cracks. Okay, so right after we got that, what you guys want to do now is grab a section of it. So right here, if I was to propagate this section right over here, you can almost feel it around. It's like a little bump almost. It's like chains. You can feel it around. If you want to propagate here, don't use scissors because you might accidentally cut plant matter. Instead, just grab your fingers and go ahead and kind of rip it open just like that. You see that? And now we got two plants. Now it's gonna feel like you're killing or breaking the plant, but you are not. You are completely safe to do that. You just want to gently get it underneath, in between, kind of just rip it apart, just like that. And now we have multiple plants. Now with that plant, as you can see, we could probably do it quite a few times, get a good amount in here. So let me just break them apart and then put them aside. So then at the end, we can kind of see how much plants we got from this one big main mother plot. So this one right here, I'm not sure because this part, it looks a little bit yellowed. So probably not gonna mess with this one too much. If I mess with that one too much, then this most likely this entire plant might grow very slowly or die. So far from this one bunch, we got this many. We got a few that we broke off earlier. We could probably go ahead and break off some more, but something like this too, I'm just gonna keep it like that. I'm not gonna do too much to it. Split it, just use your fingers and kind of like pull them apart. As you can see, the plant directly just broke off of the leaves, just like that. That's what you don't want to do, because when you do that, most likely the plant isn't going to survive and all you did just broke off the leaves. So you guys want to make sure you guys are breaking it at the rhizome. So I just showed you guys an example of what it looks like if you guys don't break it at the correct part. The leaves are going to fall off just like that. Okay, just from that one plant, we were able to get around, let's see, we could probably break one more here, but we're going to leave it. So 1, 2, 3, 4 bunches. And if I kept the leaves intact, these would still be on there, but I want to show you guys what it looks like if you guys don't break it correctly. Here's the 4 plants we got, and let's go ahead and repot them. But what I will do is do an experiment of letting this cast over and then try putting in water and see if these will grow. So when we're potting, go ahead and put the roots first so you can get it as deep in there as possible. Go ahead and just grab your soil, your dirt, whatever it is, grab it, pour it over it just like that. And then give it a little gentle push just to make sure everything's in there nice and stable and nothing is going to move around, just like that. And there you go, got your plant. Kind of grab some dirt, make sure it's nice and compact, the plant won't fall on its own. And there we got a nice little rattlesnake plant from that one big one. And honestly, a lot of the compact ones, they could fit a lot of plants, as you can see right here. And one more thing you might notice is in your plant, there might be these little balls. These are completely normal. They are kind of like their energy source. They just hold water and nutrients in here. So keep those on there. Okay, so that's gonna be the end of today's video. I showed you guys how to propagate these. I will probably go ahead and off camera, go ahead and pot all of these. I'm gonna try an experiment of growing the leaf cuttings that I showed you guys of a not successful propagation in water and see if they will actually root. And I'll be posting the results on my Instagram. So make sure you guys follow, and I'll be posting the results on Instagram. So make sure you guys follow that, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Go watch some of my other propagation videos. Thanks.